agus fáí hiig na seansaí mas máilh seansa bháú chláciad ar na seanslaí is me siúm go le cheada agus tá absolútlí léite leis an chas in seo arcan seo ar nóscoil Roma sné chartamás an swimming pool ag bud casan seo tá chu flásin na snális le cé chu ché sa seanniu tá absolútely this is a really nasty íhfuil atá se an fád gréúir ach cé a bhhain leis na iwi sin tá seo marscra le mud cóleaí le mud cairde ar dúspáir tá seo le aine bhuiir aine go mar tú
Get bug déistenar man é bheith géiste leis leis an intro sin caiimara. Yeah, like that I'm sure jazz. Ag sílam go muidir ligará go sé níos streis dátá. Tá sé fó scam lehain sin, like níl green bí ataniu. Okay, beidir tá sa mála clia. Sunny southeast. Yeah, Harter and yeah. Think níl se mar sin an gáinniu.
Sunny southeast? Tá mu like mar lína tíir. Yeah, we're gonna rat. What do you call I can't feed in at níos fear na Martha Ratcha. No, actually just fear hard.
No come
No agus a Geraldini.
He's sure that our Ratcha is probably Rud means you know
Jarfa.
Yeah, agus
underrated king.
Is actually shouldn't Rud means actually fear of him, you know?
And you're into a James O'Flaherty just struggling that was like ending at the animum in the is going like the agron. What happened to go to underrated more than you?
Yeah, Kevin, yeah, 100%. Yeah, because like was that like Scotty causing the Dennikins? I guess like the show Tordium reinsurance, you know. I guess the rote like Danny Dome. To actually sound like as in nach Roma
Ní ro de súlais.
No, as in my like kid like what you mean like my actually like if I go to fuck as there was a full version there's a couple band on hand like was that the batch after the Kings like has to do between that dot and their teams. Do you go my actually níos dahole in person you like ke dunno agus tá ma fucking airline like am I just an ugly prick and Instagram new fucking routines like you know
well obviously not much as the bull Swiss lad though Sean Rudd so hey your kicker cap and should go to you know
levels no can ishul and then we should like slightly pleasantly surprised I can actually sound can like the unfocal actually you never did my war room like you know they actually ought to sound of like oh yeah thanks after to actually sound you're like so the notions at Rivershaw capo nach sound
Alan like Venom or cool and focal actually no immersion
yeah like tashin andra face generality.
No, it's good at like neat actually for my like to be honest like my new hasn't actually should actually into the vocal actually rud the bids asking into them so we were like oh does actually needs irons in that cap ma you might like oh thanks short king ma like you sort of Daniela like
a kaigam gertin shehu no nach mohin to inta der jardini ruddy martial last.
I don't think my feelings are omni smooth to be honest.
God, that's one for the therapist.
I can as far lumsen you know like a power move the anything you they're at the consta whatever and it's like you know it's come they're giant to die like it's come along Jade and Ella like that that they really chance like wait hold on what do you mean got it Ella
the focal actually it's in a mark version like oh actually that like you know it's come kid a whole on Ella Tim cap go to kinal godas like you know it's like yeah thanks
Shaw cash at the size bedroom Shaw size conspajanish but will anything a tag and take the inkinsa you know obviously imaging your father covers the man a cover and that sneaker wood and to letting he kill some looks with mission well then be or will to law agus there's cap to Latin. Oh wow, the shits actually sound like this is actually holding immersion.
Yes, 100%.
Or while at anima range. That was
no. Marta much card you listen to the show.
Oh, okay.
Well, just Sheena weren't a mean persona and different like Dini or Lena weren't a gadi community lo Sophia Hill. As Sheelan to weren't and funyu ekin to Erlina gameshi co-intention ar bhúlann tú lo agus ní bhíon and you're like, oh, she'd actually anis glóir leis agus anréú se as an jazz. So, yeah, tá coppla duine in sin gom.
Agus tá go máirt fear gohfuil daoine ich heb tú gofuil anjas agus nachhuiir gas.
Yeah.
AKA ce fan nach háin tú a podcraoladh fós Hector.
Ó ní sé go le háú is go bhí.
Ó níor sé díomh goirtáú, dú se ling fao ógur se go go agus. Look, ní mar rá go droch le Hectorach. Dú se go se pramas chuin gur se go apá is ní an sé fós. So. Yeah.
Call out an seo.
Ní mar goil a sin is cuiile bhfuim go broch.
Fight me.
Kermid text inis, but bet you're fond like me listen text her, so just my Asian challenge and agran is Janie that it's not James or like
Tá sé hééis mu shot a shootá le Daine ich heb gur anjas amach ich heb wat nach moet koele alling. Ja, is respectful boy sommer kwe sin.
Yeah, it's just heart, yeah.
So to just get respectful shooting shot as a foki seen is one thing a foki is sent agus foki accent we ban gortincha ach wa foki sent version we Hector gortincha even ní smú.
I know dark mé ar macóra an sin leis agus an chattar journa a heol mé ná ar an cethú lá sfiad de bhína saona. Baghcat ar so heol me sé é Hectorach dragar sé cean amháin as heol me cean eile as nuúil mé rud eile.
Seo ceist right was an níos mása feice ar sent ná ar sin.
Oh, sent.
Ní oscail sé an chattar at fiú.
Yeah. Can have this?
Well, like ma tú feice ar sent tá at least an leiscail sin agad or like the hypothetical leiscail agad gonneir se jarmid leis an freigur her asgad. Cos James sin le an dingy. James is jarmid
the fóki ar sent. Cá tú fáil ré leis notification a chuikins. So either delete an tún chora nó tin tú ruskins eisteach leis méall ní tú eiceil a notification fós mar an so hey mar fear a hééis mar fóki ar sent fiú an tatan seo. It's pretty grim.
Ví a gom gro tú get tú bag an níos le brí. Vís gom gro an mí ceart.
Not been a great week.
Tá tú adúta dú James cai mé ra.
No, fuck it. My razor attack a holna.
Yeah.
Never
calling out
the roast of Tom Brady.
Oh no, better knows Kendrick Lamar na she genu diss rap or yeah. And James O'Flyer the diss track or Hector it's shall chatanish.
Please, because I mean hosi tú e come down to le Janie, so
tracks in ish.
So nish sig let rapper screw. That's it. That's really goal.
This dawn. No, ní het go Hector. Tá actually níad úmas an go Hector méall. Tá sé gerbh I chéad Hector eile, so
okay, so
no
it's two and Ked J. Cole Ella then Mershon, they're gonna running up Masla and then immediately walk it back and be like, here, listen, you know what is coming, you know, actually.
Yeah, it's coming. It's cards with.
Shocking on a griha ogin your father, Jerry shocking on the griha or father listen and Sierra Banka, the Gaff for Gaza, ogin you, cha and Shaw, agus Nero Siobhan. Because there's push of I know the being McGubberer the Mahamagu obviously but yeah not 3,000 chapum balhe ogin lahai and passing present agus an nask gefobio so ending at Gary a donate and shintus fagal donation aga
calma helena
there's an shot ogumsa again just yeah it's hand delivered or fat.
Okay.
What's gonna be bother la delivery because la you know come on man our car like our car like
I know
can ma you know replacement Lego pieces or and yeah that's in stuff with the machine can you argue there feel her you eaker son packaging delivery you know
Hugh
what Brish and Lao or kind of much bionicles lecture.
I'd walk you to a video únar madru agus óg sé kennel as Lego do wadu aige.
Oh my god, no way.
As like madu more shows, so the comments like they're like that dog gets excited for 1 second and it all comes down. Iglum just so sa howell sa tauki dogal reding mar sinda the fata.
Bes a ho casas though. What's it go casas at Lego? Anish.
Yeah.
The thing been the can't we Freddo bars more like Cora the inflation. But my to earn casas at or Lego anish feel like her. Tasha tapped. There's absolutely
scandalous. A caiimera an rudháin dahan mé faoin Gaff for Gaza seo na an difriocht ar nói den aimimseir agus den gealagó tróna ada go bhí sibabtan an thuirse oscailt agus bhí just cuma gro fló galant ar níthe níos mó spás do gcuoine agus just atmosphere jazz leis an aimimseir jazz sin rud a thug me sé hiúla go bí.
Yeah. Bhí sé intaí a wholesome.
Cé bhí cásan atá san bhí hiú a héine cásan.
So an flagra Misha Casu was go mo kinmuch Curtis fair Sidon Niall Brennan to more Jaharogum from a cashier la Casu agus there's a neurosha chun yenu monero Misha chun dulswas agus arna yenu lesh. So they're right, okay, I'll take the hit agus was la Casu so a hain we've bring Oscar Swiss and Road and shin vi agus tam a hosas in the school on poster and this Curtis was gum in my cameras was film ekal na anya so ni ve imagine jarmer there anim thing biela and shin vi rogue opinions ogun at time or banakial punk vi can kinjarna a could just walk vi dingy vi can kinjarna so Hannah McRoach agus Erica Riley vi she shin tam jarna Ronan Friel agus Ryan O'Neill vi shidson the gnam jarna the Cleena Heenan Catch Fleming agus Katrina Atkinson vi like doc ratcha like trad whatever but la salsha like kind of like trans cool because we just Dronona as her just show like stage lights so we shot an funky agus sin vi anti the fool more and Banahil Jarna and I'm calling it now right Andy the fool I'm not chugging kind of more Banahil all war and airing that's my prediction. This is unbelievable. This is absolute class. Sin an hot take a tugumanish. Mbliana. Agus bhí the sin sitting so gine. So bhí se.
Beto sin arag an tro blian le the garfastí. Well, sorry, níos mna tro. Yeah, tro blian. Agus be picture agad the Gaff for Gaza through too. An cumbanna either not.
Probably Shas go blian.
Like garfastí.
I'm sorry, the big tersa on you, okay?
Nor tama cuiga is a shake. I
mean, ní sin go sin le well, like ní sin crackalta le garfastí bhegat.
Be Hughes there le chéad episode of Teen Moms though, so mar an crazy dad no kins well.
I think we're Jenna German nach Jagory níos moment.
Yeah, I thought you forced a bra at a gasser that thing.
No, but
I know.
But arms at Plashviogum. What?
And right now.
Right now. Stephanie Namath shits and Ochjag, Nujag was shits.
Okay, Adwali meg ro me gitibug generous lesson figure shin. Acta me ran níf go homeland do yente. The meg pasta go nish. Agzokle pasta veg do fasta gokjag, you know? Níl sé crackalte.
Sa sochi níl sé crackalte. Dús comparison there.
Agus 80 tá déagán, so bhach sé still a team mom. So
yeah. And yeah, I appreciate you thinking so highly of me go mé man on dunne value agus páiste bhí gom lá again.
Tá swimmers hiú choláidir go bhfuil an bostan an tatmach is chughí.
Just or those like a bullet from a gun.
Hey, me enough doing them all. Donny God doesn't wait for nobody, baby. So it's like
how much talk go home on that frill. But no, we should really jazz. We in the vibes into jazz. We are no house party all war such a although the Labhraíonn the Labhraíonn actually.
What?
Such a yeah. Can the wang at the calendar all right. Ex can it go home on mulchna. Can we my criú verstifully right. The ken the ahraha car ken the kisai kalte like now so can ken at shop but nís mass in that shin Níos más na sin.
It's bionic and looking like Toki. It's
No, God, no. These are locked up, man. This is like actually
A siad si a bháil, James, please.
the arm contasy any erection sin just the Jenny Kinchin nachro can be glocka. I literally went tahu pohatu lua go back oh no golly there's the fadden sin. No, níos más na sin. Mo bottle opener as the Isle of Man. There's Emmy here stray.
Ok, mohím nachhfuil na rudí seo actually good teag daoine just beidir ghfuil siad caiilte áte an sa chat. Mar cé fágad go ngute na hocarcha de car gan an car.
Gan an car gawk, yeah. So sin probably den car good. Leis an bottle opener firma finishe agus firma adwal as an dinne gur goja agus tá art is chunné torturráú.
An cara látíd seo nó an
Dinne done band dinne tá an antí the fool.
As ar good si dé just let's see if he notices.
Well dirt ma a cad rudder dirt ma margin jaloon agus make Lonnie Swiss will no bottle opener Isle Man.
Babe, have you seen my Isle Man bottle opener?
Well, Sean Rudd, right? Okay. La Ara had that car. It's fair that our duella is chat like that's grand. Like it's come with featuring, you know.
Actually, dear, obviously the car.
Lesh and bottle opener Shaw. Bell arms at dollar rashing and Isle Man.
No. Amazon. What I definitely on.
Yes, I would care in that. Kaitu doll. Hagen Etch. Lesh and fridge magnet. Otherwise, it's fair to Falcon the Timbuktu. Agus beds around obi mag Timbuktu acharo kahitu and rud physical ave ogud own action. So listen, Captain to go out well this is the dinner and
the good sheet the Isle Man battle opener.
Yeah. Go far crew listen, to fall garty lush. Agus mag so like get the book sympathy and show obviously
Ní gom céin sort mohucan rom in am sa bheith go man seo.
Fire.
Ní the gap mo chun bhd is friggin bottle opener. Fiúcla chun buideach go.
An far bhí nigsúla an far cearna at the ogad sa faoin láin gur goid an smuiti bhíocum na Christy Moore.
Let's talk about it.
Or why that?
I mean, or why that? Well, Cadagun.
Mr. Bress asked the mar dermal hanning is common sa from Cohamlan. Ní lein fibogum leis la Shane I think you're talking there.
Then ní me con beef a hosu.
No, although cake agus vouchin ain't that ground where Darrow beef and their Christy Moore impersonators like Darrow like Christy Moore diss tracks like chalk them off and Tamar
say go ring it this on Spanish soas ring it to kunja blachéna agus tá session beter it's an unroad dierach mar here.
I mean that.
He's milking it.
So I'll tell you one thing. Segue. Nivesh as a Eurovision.
Anna why? Anna why? Segue. Sean Rudd, right?
Up and be tug.
Up. Listen. So.
Down Eurovision.
Ein Vianella féins asta faoi Cada Harla and sin ar an March, but ar an gadin, but just ní féad le marker tá go home go headless go home man in Edna. But it is like Shaw and Cora bhí gom sil housemate, right? Bambi tug fi lethir. Sílam ag a bommate seo na le Janie. Bhí si gan G-Jan, right? Like neuro chabiach and neuro agad whatever. Agus fáin siad an Rod Shaw all war whatever. Agus le got munar nearna siad an Comorthus to chance all war go we should like peanuts all war like fine on EBU now oh like RT na could be Rod. As like that Jerry go Conroe Sheeny hill or like money in to Shaw tart Ecarash could be Rod or whatever. So like yeah, so like I think ta eintim nar chart go mé aindinge as éan hall igen rod agus anything like nach chart go mé and more parts like don Eurovision is going up here in la agus tan boycott or dollar right but ag an am céarna neasa go mna an rud ceart le bheith just chur an filan omman ar den bhhaing. Like I feel like is the like that roisiad chun an ghlacu part sa boycott bheith orthu ceann an trust a chuiriste I pobl na hhéireann go bhfuil den an takeíocht sin a thuirt dífa iníé sin agus ní léon real guarantee tá sin.
Yeah, I mean, sílam ní hiiglann an nachta le go chur arthaise as níl mo chuid fearge le I dro arthú. Níl mo chuid fearge le I dro Bambi tug tá níos mó freigracht ag na hagraíochtaí atá buinte lei seo le níos mó dhéanamh faoi agus níos sé cóir milán le go chur arthú ar Bambi tug mar tá siad san just déanaíocht career a thosú sa ceol agus is deis iontathe seo agus tuigim sin rá sin de darnach siad amach mé cinnta go meic daoine a ghlacha céim chun tosaí le cuidiú lo agus beidir deisinaí a thuirtamh ach ní higlinn an sa bolíocht tá daoine sin an bolíocht ar lína sa sin feice so ní higla sin ar le go chur I dro Bambi tug má dheallar botún olmhór atá a dhéanú ag Eurovision í tain.
Yeah. Bhí clips ón loch fécinta in sin in EA an teispantas an ar na Israel agus bhí just dúirt grow like an chanas sa seomra like bhí ansáilir gur cheap daoine nar cheartá a bheith mar parts an comórtas.
Sin rud an bhfuil suirt níl sé feice gom tá mé ghlach parts a boycott, but an bhfuil booing a tarlú sa lucht fécinna an bhfuil an mothú an atmosfér sin bhfuil si denna booing ar éan
No, a rate so ag jeru Chishpantas Israel was an Urgur Hassian booing. So it wasn't a re in
no for Aaron reception unbelievable.
Yeah. I mean there's a freed on Ked about the Canish.
So should mar could you after all
favorites no well yeah.
Fifth favorites like unbelievable. Like I'm just gonna be honest. Random a performance aiding because the ní locht atá how feice mu dá bh éing I cumar de soccer as bh chuirdí mar thugad rá. It's not on the players. Yeah, tá na imóí I gur bheith immert ar son na héireann. So I feel like a binid tá Bambi tug íana I bheith son na héireann is mór faoi na daoine tá níos airde go cheart an boycott chorán agus bheith láirt lena players mo sin I ggéire an boycott íana. So má tá sí sinna go an is son na héireann tuis go takeíocht tús go duine na héireann itá represental éing. I feel like obviously ní ceach go Israel an tá bhach boycott I would promote boycott íana ach sen school sí an might as well support point in the heading hall. So random is rud sin ní Eurovision rud a bhach má brandware anyways so random literally at 3 numa go chlár agus performance is bhí and I tell you now ní den mór ceol mu of Jesus Christ the performance check unbelievable. I bhí actually class like
currently disarm because like so like Hanik my stuff like they spell na Arnie your father Carter cash arm like ages ago la basically kind of genu like not maltrot but la genu that review da na Arnie your father the Aaron Kirk on Tassi da Eurovision agus ní chiapan givin an vibe sin do vibes or Harvey
James. Like no ní dúirs me go an órang ma is tispátas alína atá ní órán atá ní chead sum go really órán atá na chruchtú is echt the headphones for amach le run. I don't think go bin a rud in éisteach tú le.
Tá go leor scradí le dul ra.
Go leor scradí go ra. Yeah. Ach sin a piece of bug really das on and then go sé ra go scradí rís. But like I think it was really cool me like is moet in jarne ik je sauna is rudi. So check shiny le sin agus tan wie een oom Reitninger but rudi should ben freaky gesien just in stage work is as maar pointse aline definitely fucking unbelievable. In nation that should on is my headphones absolutely fucking not because to be honest the streamlined bugging cockets at mark some haste spontas because we like kinalin raw wow tá kid faster fi lá.
Bhí mis gro measc an de symbol agsúla a dulrá sa vísa like hí
tá witchcraft on yeah.
Hí Wiccan hí satanic hí stuff Celtach, like hí like stuff Pagánach, like hí measc an de so níor hiig mise an téime really as mohín fiú san óran ghfuil get go si scradil and then to get go to like kind of jazz is melodic sa lá just ní higum an cocktail de rudí atá tarú san óran sin on
well like Aaron is that a crown the witch so agus apparently the raid on finishe atá acclaimed Wikipedia Aaron gominchi a practice of witchcraft in the sporals so Tá go takeíocht a chuirtip because ní si gur aon misfortune eile bham ma heel because really can't take any more. I can't fucking take any more, lads.
Gaff go mé cursed man tugin muid take.
Yeah, so I'm not sin rud nach mention an risk anyways because fucking yeah.
It's more true though go se like mbliana, like mother dar Harle Shaw like like sé na siaplianana hun cabbíir nachró is mar far san commórtas bit non sais an broad sin a bheith ó good like mohim sé ein nos like ní bhéh me gurchar an baghcat agus chance like it's just an rónach go bhfuil seo chola bheith a gcónaí nascia le rudí tá tarlú agus an dáig go an neamhála tiúil but nachhfuil cad agad brata Palestina go chuir. Sure, bhí tuairt má bhí an like opening act go raibh se caiú cefia timpeall ar bhlásaige, but is as an cantar sin é. So but ra like but ra linne like go like grow like an fine yard or like like symbol da air and whatever like about sin political or political
Well is stoilm gohaci mé ar Twitter guríir siad ar bambithog an óam a wint a literary ceasefire agus freedom well Kager ashtu answer butchered cabéhe but sin rud eile ach so níor caiisi é don taiispanta san nation
no bhí an ómánach dúirte rutíns eile in áit an rudhí si garrá I think just dúirte rutíns
Crown the Witch sim gur Crown the Witch
yeah ach no ach tí bhile dó nuair dat tú cuiimú like dá náireach lób a ruúchdal agus sin dá bhach an Eurovision in aiding wouldn't that be a very good international arts le na flags Palestine nach a bheith an dáach se fós gus mar bhach in ceasefire an ó seo go dtí chéblin eile bhach onad aonach ag aiding an seo cháin an tispáanta sin aana lei.
Is dóile mé ach fós is Eurovision a dhéanhí an cinú sin an actually thuleis goúir conspóid a crothú mar mata sé Eurovision a tuairt cead den muir an Israel a teachsáil agus taiispántas dhéanú an éan an bblin se thugann bheith an éiri sin conspóid lei sin, so nílas go an ibrach sin go roiháid mar der hiú is uásach ar seo an bblion go bhfuil géirí go bhhail héir ag an ordearnach sílam na bhí sa thugte go neid si tríd agus an ordearnach gur go mhailinn na Jedward le lipstick. So I mean that is fad an lá ó ddíirí le éan insert lorug sa chu ágal ar an gomórtas so is mór an trú agus is gra spralum sa bhgarcar denim sin ar bhótal sa bhaile le garde gonne ahan duine denim mu den like tosin muid céin céim thura a bheith acu so ní bheith me garcar but croní me is mai an bheith garcar de gra.
Vis je má fresna Johnny Logan across Euphoria where Lorraine
gas
so Halshin I think Halshin like Nyosha Watesh Bambi Tog of Ed so she can't feel Lorraine seems like okay Falma Lorraine Cassim y'all fucking tunage like I shouldn't
tunage absolute
tunage bro
so the king of Eurovision set them out like the king triúd what Johnny Logan does that fucking macht Johnny Logan you like so go got a casa or on the Kings like it was like
what's another year
better or on new donor Earth Kings action what's that casa you like what if I should cast Euphoria so we should just brand new the three numa that are telling in utter confusion okay we make y'all but
Sílam gur meallar an ceangail tá idir Labhraíonn as Johnny nach bhfuil siad có
Yeah.
scoring in is
Yeah.
Haven méidir
Well,
tá buinte acu.
It's in the
Technically,
day
the
act
TP
away.
and Johnny Logan. Me all scream shack on the roof freshen, I think.
Yeah. But it's I think
Okay.
in that and the dad
Oh, Bert
yeah
is
then you
smooth.
went. Yeah, and Bert's smooth, yeah.
Okay. So béir Labhraíonn teachtamán flin se thugann agus ó an de chuid Johnny Logan a canú.
Hold me now, don't cry, don't say a word. Ar le dó agus mu country like ag ag crutnú na imachtaí seo whatever. Tá lein rudí like basically fre Eurovision ag tarlú ar an sahar agus ar an dó like tá méid and stuff got a ré
Yeah.
in Malaclia in Aliamh
Yeah.
na cara móra má farste like a garcaí like tá lein len rudí clás ag tarlú ag an am cearna so ar leid tá daoine atá ag ag Gary cealla like an itch in a scratchall dá like Kellerú allhór dá de tíir ar fád agus na árán ar fád go sin ar fáil da daoine.
Yeah, má tá daoine gurí pas gom faoi ceanháin a tarlú an gáiliú Shine on Palestine.
Yeah.
Agus tá mó mór ceoltarí teach le chéile is dóide me leis an gáiliú agus bé Sharon Shannon as Mundian agus John Spillane as glór ceoltarínta so má tá daoine cuairtú a éigen le genún deir teach na seo just té cuairtú mar tá go leor stuff a tarlú go leor imachtaí ar fud na tíre.
Yeah, no tá panty bliss ag genú ihe ag an na Malaclia atá sim go bé Shine on Palestine fásta ach in cin na Malaclia agus panty bliss tá genua le bannaí ó Ballymun agus ó le daoine tá mar part tá daoine tá mar part Irish Palestine Solidarity Campaign le daoine as an Palestinians with immersion so tá rudí an dit mata tú actually kin much courage kin much house basically chenú kosher like for Eurovision sa cha not in chat so but like Scottish house party like basically vi who rounu cheer a time or parts in Eurovision de gra agus like na are an is fair own cheer sin a rounu agus iad a hispant like more iad a hispant agin house party agus sin being vote ag a handling is a cha then or K a Rowney and cheer is fair or the Aran is fair.
And God so, the Conwy Tain no will she
no. So like more hampler right kind of the cheer just the cheer ring should Iceland so like bitch are knows like Bjork na like Leve na like or Daddy Frey like like na Aran more shots Iceland.
Will Ferrell.
No, Will Ferrell, of course. And Game Time
ding dong, ding dong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ding dong. My love for you is one. Oh, what a song.
You were covering your Ken Arn of Yon. But Ken Arn and Cheer Allegarani should was Albania. Agus the Arnya. So there heard a cash from he's like or why codulum like Arn as Albania around it. There's no bother at all. So kind much like look earn couch a gurk or pophiol as Albania. Agus or while as file a mal running at we are on pophiol as Albania. Or why like fun fact.
The Dua Lipa kind of as Albania.
Tashila has Albania. But at ní she on citizenship back like tribune I think mission. But and Rudfi Arani as Albania is that it's just reggaeton. Ahan Aran is just reggaeton. Agus Dirkmudge or I don't know Kavade music videos Albania. Agus literally Ahan Lechenaku which is boom 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 Ahan Lechenaku. Ahan like without fail. Ahan Lechenaku. Ní bhéin an iad amsúnis like ar iad an anúnis because we just literally ar fad mar gearna. It was unbelievable. Agus we should just like uair dom seal nach wing arás.
Agus will Oran pioke good.
Vi tecanon, but it's really weird. Like so like it's kind of like free like broad Albania whatever because ta like there's like explosions agus like like birds flying overhead agus like an láteág múnú like that poetry like stare and all. It's random. It's very, very weird. But size, it's a little bit of a banger. So
best of a bad lot.
Yeah.
Just your Finland all. Agus Lordy.
oh lordy, yeah.
Hard rock.
Hallelujah.
Nu the Netherlands is ik kan country sin yaku Elrua go brenachan. Agus obviously Sweden, that just Loreen agus Abba.
What is a good K to us Finland actually? Well, couldn't you give the Rasmus?
Erasmus.
The Rasmus. Janet Orange and in the shadows. Their whole to you would know
No.
you would know what I'm talking about. Their whole to and Oran. But absolute bangers. Aku. Alain Rockhill Anawai. As an inland. This is what they've got wog dag because Sweden, orange.
Yeah. Vi mar
Just
hop
making-
gur an
yeah.
budcréil an chafn gotcha.
Just making sure. I was like, because we have our phone lesson and ledger and that.
The personality trait of one IQ. It's like Russell go yads in Sweden.
I just want to show off
It's
Keiko.
actually a go
Keiko.
Bertach Loreen.
Yeah, it's actually that's actually Shane. Oh my god, Sauli and kosher. I'm Mitch, I guess. Divesha egg and kosher. I'll tell you right now. Because yes, actually the Coney is Stockholm. It's actually Kahar, but even with the Stockholm. Eskel tuna and things there.
Well, déis mé le podcréile leihi seo agus cóín si amuí Ilan an ar gúlta, so níl fear bí go bé diad bhúlú leihi.
Sauli
That's for you.
can Cora? Can what?
Kosher. Tu Nivesha.
They're kosher on their one Sweden and Eurovision reach.
Oh, dan Eurovision in Malmo.
See, Niela Sogum. Nero is Niela Sogum because Niela Kavida. I haven't a clue.
Oh, like what if my freaking logo and the adverts like
No.
Eurovision lover.
Designated.
Eurovision slut.
Eurovision apologist James of Lardick.
Eurovision
Leonto.
sympathizer.
Eurovision
Agus.
sympathizer James of Lardick. No, there was very clear on it. We're not
I'm not a sympathizer. I'm just
No.
a patriot of
of air.
aiding the growth other day. So
Ní muidir go rudder bí in a lei.
the mission get aiding growth on absolutely chorus jadaku. Agus
Yeah.
the watch the gamers the tournament volleyball. Ik het saring
Mhm.
freshen.
It's
To be honest,
been-
even maybe rather like probably was a pub.
They do almost definitely the pub.
Anyway, train on minds are doing this, so probably more hollow in fairness. So
Boo.
basically, just really nah. More with the brand basically not branded, but support from afar. Like just hope going in there should come out, but don't give them the viewership.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I think that's probably in the and like a Gary faculty Jenna Gumai, but don't financially or through that'd be torture and tacky at the on Eurovision. Could you go well in Israel ma? That's I think that's the official take of the
There you go now. Yeah.
There you are now. Boycott Eurovision, support local. It's sin tan agartá an na seansaí gur míid sa bheith I ggéisiart lin mat Gary aine. No mas Gary Majinga an this man was tamidir seansaí ar Instagram, seansaí ar Twitter agus seansaí ar YouTube. Say that go déanaí gáilta ar YouTube not ar Spotify ach tamidir fáil go bhí eile a bhaint podcraoladh mat Gary aine Amsterdam hosted that more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. Mat Gary James Amsterdam hosted that more flahar tach or Instagram, flahar tach or Twitter, as flahar tach or TikTok. As mat Gary Mahane Amsterdam hosted that more Hugh Carr here Instagram, Hugh Carr here Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Carr or TikTok. Ein rodella gambri fluggal anish sort of
Nope.
But the Rotherwine Nugum still a fluggal. And
Go
that's
for
goal and Nasca file Oscar la high donations of Hort Gaff Gaza, which is Arichidal, Hague, Palestine, Red Crescent, Colat, Amina Jenu, Koju Ladingi, and Palu in Gaza, agus in Palestine, killed that like loud and Kurdistan Red Cross at all too. So it's all medical aid at the and the feel heart. So must féidir leat aon airgad a thuirt an trásin den le a hall béis tá nasc go fáil beo. Gotí actually not cinú bhfuil muid chur establish na donations, but béis go fáil asca faoin an pacréil seá. Agus I think ambitions an rud ar fad go gaim flogá. Sum go méid Jerry Shacking a gáint agah. Sum go méid si go le campa nach bhfuil.
Síle mé dul go Dogs Bay, ag Clifton.
Yeah. Oh, actually, really want to go plug out. Matt, that's like anything if we Ulster final tickets. I'm dying out here. Kaima dull. Jimmy's winning matches. Kaima Van Shun.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
They my criú brisha. Mana wine to the mana wine was Jahagan Road. I guess what do you mean? Yeah, James. Try him, yeah, right.
It's a tough the champions got the hoogie, you know.
Not that's not to doing fucking
Rugalje, my moyo. So sorry, but I'm with it. It's still already so.
Yeah, sure. Well, Dalishini Yanido when your competition is Schliga and
Moyo
Kundaya Wang. We have to battle through all of.
Sorry, actually, during your international opponents in Russian, actually.
Oh,
during New York.
Oh yeah, Dúchlan Ulwar.
Oh, pipe down, couldn't chlár. So free.
Sílim sa bhfuil chun chlár fiasa go mór sa fel ag go a couple bliana hin níor náir si dtí hain station gona céirí. Dibir sin go maiid.
Rich mucher nua Iraq earned pitch their first the shot higgin Connacht quarterfinals bliana win and we're when you
no Connacht semi-finals could be to the goonies the quarterfinal because Nilang
Agus go leisceil, please, chun chlár tas go gur an imant, that's our bitch, so just watch this space.
Can I tell her chun chlár All Ireland?
Gavi's trídeag. Bhí muid bunach an airí, let's just say that.
Yeah.
Can't have done our wee Gav All Ireland.
2017, baby. 2017.
No, ní sé didn't want this fair now. Well,
Chéad bliana.
Go leisceil, tá muid Dirknéin League wins, tá muid bunach, tá muid go bhean bliana.
Okay, right, hold on a second. Tá muid argo Josh at Jerry Bot. But he's also Jerry shot to get them Josh is shot to jungle agan the Seansálaithe. Salon.
Bye.
Right, go let's go.
Oh!